Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, I'm going to talk about the murder of Sandra Risden. She was a paralegal at the well-known law firm Nunes, Schofield, DeLeon and Co. One of the oldest law firms in the area, man. Deal with all kind of business, all kind of matters. She's been employed there for over 30 years, so it was a long time the company they bought. Her murder, as usual, or as often the case, took place in a broad daylight. 87s pull up, some youth on some bike, start fire shot on her. But here's the thing. Another vehicle dash cam pick up the moments right after them kill the woman. And a policeman, for me understand. At first people were wondering if it's police or licensed firearm, but it appears to be a squaddy. Challenged the 87 them and fire shot half of them. I go show you the video. Cause it kinda look like one of the boys them would get shot. You know, spooky still. Now as you can imagine, this is very fresh, so when the 87 just ride up and just shut up and kill a paralegal and ride off, naturally people are gonna say, yeah, somebody put their money on her head, look like a hit. But I say things fresh, so we don't know yet. And the fact that she work at a law firm, paralegal, deal with all kind of documents and things, people's spooky radar will go off, but things very fresh, so not even want to go down the road yet. So I'm gonna just play the video, I'm showing you some things where I find really interesting. First one is this dashcam business. I like it. Back in the day we used to see lot of Russian dashcams. I remember when they come like every single car in Russia they have a dashcam. We used to see all kind of things. Well, the dashcam thing, I get common area, man. Dashcam cheap, online. It's not just good for accidents and them thing there, but you never know, you might help solve a murder. First, I go see them take a U-turn on the bike. You go see an orange vehicle, take the U-turn to and drive them down. But I want to put on the speakers because you get the gunshot then go off. So I'm going to play the video in its entirety, then I'm going to play it again, slow down, and I'm going to break it down.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, what is that? Oh, them on police, watch out. I ain't going behind that shit. Like, what the fuck? Woo! Like, woo! That happened.
Alright, so that was the full video. Now, I'm gonna play it slow. This shot right there is well, if you understand, as a policeman, this is a semi-difficult shot for me. I say semi because judging by the speed of the bike, if the bike was going very fast, then it would be an extremely difficult shot for me. The bike wasn't going that fast because I brought the U-turn, I make a U-turn, so them slow right down, for make the turn, and the squaddy shoot off of them. It's a semi-difficult shot because it's a moving target and the driver is seated. No, I would expect any of my boys to make this shot, but what me say, just watch a video, right? We don't know what happened the moments before the video start. You know, we don't know if them did fire back at first, so squad like duck down and then him quickly jump out and push him onto the window. As me say, this is basically watching back something, and it's much easier to say this should happen and that should happen when time you never see it in a real time. But based on the mistake, I was expecting to see both of them get shot off of the bike. And now I look on it close, it's very possible the squad shot one of them. Because the pillion look like him almost drop off at one point, and his body suggests that something happened. No, I don't know if I just shot them fire and just, crime got on the fool now, right? Him almost jump off of the bike, but something happened there, so it is very possible, say, the pillion get shot. Very possible. Right. Later on, they might hear somebody turn up to hospital, right? I don't know. But it's possible. Then you can see, squad drive them down. From what I understand, I see in the papers them say, the pillion now turn on and start fire back off of the car, so squad ease off. And boy, they shouldn't get wasted, Shouldn't get away. Yeah. But, again, you have to remember this is not a movie. This is early morning, everybody got to work. Right? Pedestrians all over the place, people across the road. So, right, it's not an ideal situation for a policeman or a shootout with 87 pound bike. If this was somewhere else, I'm very confident squad take out the two of them. This happened on a long stretch, right, where there wasn't much, pedestrian around and up a car and I come from traffic. I put money on this squad. Take the two of them board off of the bike. So it's a very tricky situation. And even which part him start engage them, I'm pretty sure, right, obviously I can't talk for him, but I'm pretty sure he make sure wait for that moment and that turn, because again, there were vehicles in the opposite direction. They saw a man across the road, so he couldn't really just stand up for bam 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 bam. Right, the place was very congested with people. So that's the next thing we have to factor in. I must say police officers don't get the benefits of a 87. If 87 get in a shootout, him just turn him gun in a general direction, fire be a shot, and who get shot. If that policeman, even though I try stop 87 from getting from a murder, if in the process of doing that, him go fire a shot and go shoot somebody across the road go black and the place go turn upside down. So it's a very sticky situation with the police officer. Right, I'm gonna say sorry to the boy of them get to it, but I'm pretty confident. So if it wasn't there so, right, squad could have given him a better fight. But I wouldn't be surprised if one of the boys them get shot. Look on the video again. This motion right there so, something going on. So is it the boy a duck or him turn, them start swing all over the place now. But something going on, so I wouldn't be surprised if one of them boys them get shot. Right. Should have all 2, 3, 4 man did it. Right, with weapon too. But kill the woman, murder the woman, paralegal. In the upcoming days, I'm sure we're gonna hear more and more about the case. But this will show you how donkey 87s are. Right. This took like at the early morning traffic, the man gonna kill her now. Right. Shot can go anywhere, shot can come. They don't business. But when the time for them get some kind of, punishment for their actions, right? No business. When you start to say, but suppose this and the things that this and the things like that, them don't care about you care. Them don't care about you care. Them 87 you're lucky, in my opinion. The man they catch them on the right stretch of road. Right, they could have really, since them want act like them a movie star, could have give them a real show. But no, so them have to come off of that bike there. But I think it's quite catch them in that one round still. Right? That movement they look, right? Like him pick up a round. Just like that. Dead. Big woman this, you know, she probably had start thinking about retirement. Because she come close to retirement age. Imagine. 30 odd years, paralegal. Probably I'll start planning so she go take a vacation when she reach 65 or 67 or whatever. And, you know, then, boy, 70 go catch me and relax on the beach. Because at that age, you think, so you're going to make it. If you're dead from natural causes. You have to start thinking about the grandkids and you're going to start have more time at home and all them. 87 have different plan. 87 have different plan. And if it's a contract hit, if somebody will send the 87, definitely have a different plan. But we're going to see that work out. Now, for the video, let me just say this. We say police bring in Joel and Silvera saying get locked up. Now wait for years saying get charged. I want you to understand something. Bringing him on a lock up, we're not really popping champagne for that. Because we see back in there, we see many cases, bringing him on lock up, next thing you know, things quiet down, man boss case gone back a road now. First thing we look for if you can get bail. First thing, because them man there, easy flight risk. Easy flight risk. He's so connected, him have him money, him have him links, easy flight risk. Gone. So if he can get charged, and I'm expecting him to get charged, now watch this what the judge will do. Because whatever the judge do, that's going to be the main thing. Then hold him and keep him behind bars, that is a start. Now we can see, alright, we can see where the case will go. But just getting charged, I mean nothing, because they getting charged, and then 1 week after I get bail, and then like first milestone I look on a bail. So let me say, might drop a video upon it. Keep an eye on. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.